Okay, so most on-chain auctions lack strategy because all bids are public, and hence someone can predict yes, like when whose bid is the highest. But this is where SealBid fixes that by keeping bid encrypted end to end using the Phoenix fully homomorphic encryption algorithm. Now the contract computes the winner without exposing the losing bids. And as you can see, this is the UI. This is the UI. This is how it looks like. And the first part, this is all the bidding activities that have been going on. It has three states: pending state, settled, live. This is currently on, and the status is having 52 milliseconds. The winner has been claimed. Now if the winner has been claimed, it will show this to carry verdict. Now, and for a pending state means the time has elapsed and it's time to finalize the protocol. Now, finalize, okay, it's having this connected or unconnected error version, which I'm supposed to have fixed, but I just have to, it's because I have not authenticate, I've not logged in. Let me just log in then on this. And yeah, so basically in a nutshell, let me explain how this works. Now, when you create an auction, and this total bid makes count based on the number of addresses, based on address, not based on the recurrence of the same address. An address can make more than one bidding. An address can make bidding more than once, just as you can see here we have bidding activity 3 now, but the addresses are 2. This address made bidding twice, that's why it is showing 3 here, but here the count will be 2 because it's only 2 participants, even though they made more than 2 bidding activity. So basically this is it. Now one among them has the highest. Now the idea of finalizing the commitment protocol is, now okay, this is the creator, this account that I used to create a bid auction. Let me finalize the commitment process, and once it's done, sometimes due to the network and RPC issue, sometimes it takes a little while before it shows to claimed. Should fill on this. Let me refresh. Sorry for the error. This is an RPC issue. Okay. Let's go back here. It should work on that. Let me disconnect and let me connect again. But this time around, let me connect with another account. Okay. Good. Let me connect with another account. And this is it. Okay. That has been confirmed. Okay. Now yes, the market has been closed. So basically this is how it works. Okay, just as this one, let me create an auction. Let's say one piece. Let's use straw hats. Let's say finding the one piece. And let's put the hours into it. Put an hour also. Let's deploy it and confirm the transaction request. Mind you, we deployed this contract on base Sequoia, and it will take a while before it refreshes. It will list it here, but like for this, let's try to stick. I am not the creator of this, so I can bid on this because the creator cannot bid. The creator of a bidding auction cannot bid also, so you have to be different address. So let me try to bid on this. Let me bid with row 003. Let's see. This is in it. Let's try and bid. I'm trying to encrypt the payload using the FH and the Phoenix morphic algorithm ciphertext. It will take a little while. So while we wait for it to finish bidding, encryption payload. Okay, let me, so that we'll see if that other one that we created has reflected. And yes, it has reflected. And here is it also live. Okay, so let's just wait for it to finish encrypting and see how it goes until it shows us how. Now meanwhile, now we have 4 total, and this is it for total. What I have not implemented is it should show how you should have this feature of filtering, where you can filter how many of the feed are live, how many have been settled, how many are pending. Yes, so that will be easy for user experience with that. And I done this is supposed to pop up and I was still encrypting the payload. Okay, it's taking longer time than usual, but basically it would work. It would show encryption request where I will confirm. After confirming, it will process and it will reflect the total sealed here, and when I refresh here, the details will be here, and that's it. And now that's the idea between SealBid and SealBid demonstrates privacy by design on the EVM rails using Phoenix. Now we keep auction computation verifiable on chain while preserving the Bitcoin confidentiality. Now this basically directly aligned with confidential DeFi and next generation private market design, where it is a system where people don't want to know, want to see people that have bid on particular auction is still losing, and then it's taking longer time. But nevertheless, let me use this or this. Let me use this as a sample. And now you see this, we can execute this verification claim, but here it will bid us to increase the amount. If I can remember the amount that I used to bid, if it's correct and happens to be the highest amount that it was used to bid, then it should work, but else it will not work. Actually, else it will not work. So let me confirm this. I don't know, it failed. It failed with the reverse of gas limit also. Actually, basically it's not supposed to respond with this gas limit error. Is because of the amount. I can't remember the amount I used to bid. The highest amount I used to bid, it would have. So basically I need to remember it to be able to claim this. Let's do that one more time. Okay, 12003. Still nagging on the fact that it is gas. Okay, let me check the request on gas. Okay, network fee. Let's put it on advanced. It's still working. Okay, let's put this on 6 and let it go. Yeah, we shouldn't have that also, but it still failed. But it should work. I don't know whether it is the gas limit that has been causing. So basically, you see the amount is being encrypted, which is hidden. No one sees the amount that has been done, only the bid activity, which is sufficiently enough. So thank you.